Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Tomoka here playing Ark. This is the live stream. Yeah, like I said, most of this gameplay will be only live stream. Just probably too much to edit, too much to do. Don't got the time for that, but if you like what you see, we'll be doing this mostly live stream. Yeah, so sit back, enjoy the ride. And here we go. We're on our way to establish possibly a redwood forest base. Something just small, nothing huge, just a little one. We need some tree sap. That is it. Right there. That is as far as I can take the boat in. Okay. Oh, lovely. Of course. Wow. Alright, I gotta get a torch. Hold on. What are you shooting at?
The snake.
Oh, gosh. Ooh, okay. Oh, gosh, we gotta cross.
Yeah, I fixed it.
Yeah, Kaylee said he can hear you now.
Okay, good.
Careful, it's a drop.
Ooh.
We literally have to just go right there, but we gotta find a way down. Ouch. What?
Ow.
That's just bugs.
Alright.
Okay, let's find a way down then.
Almost biffed it. Uh-oh.
Another drop?
Yeah, but...
Oh, there's an alpha down there. Let's go this... Let's go this way. Hopefully.
I can go first if you want.
Oh, gosh, I just don't know how to get down.
I just went down a little bit and I hit this place and it was good.
Ooh, okay, that one did. I literally almost died to that one. Okay, I am I'm very hurt.
That's your stupid self.
Yeah, I'm very hurt. Okay, now we gotta cross the swamp. Great.
Oh, alligator.
Come on, come on.
Ooh, that was close.
Okay, give me a second to heal.
Okay.
That needs to stop.
Hey, I'm out of food.
You're fine. Okay. We really gotta be careful crossing the swamp. A lot of things. I would break out... I'd almost break out your shield. And get ready. Oh, gosh, I hate this. Yeah, I already see an alligator over there and an alpha raptor, but I will let you... are you sure you got full health?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just above full health right now. Okay, I'm gonna let you lead the way. We're gonna go right now, literally straight. Hold on, slow down, slow down, slow down.
There's a frog.
Okay. Oh, get out of the water! Get him, get him, get him! Nice.
Good job.
Okay. Ooh, that was close. Okay, let's get out of here. Where are you? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? This way, come here. Come
Alright, I made it.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, frick, we're heading to it.
What? Get it, Quinn! Get it! He's coming! Nice. Another one! Quinn, get him! Quinn, get him!
I can't.
Quinn, get him! Take the shield! Get the shield! You idiot! Get the shield! I can't see! Get the shield, you turd! I'm gonna let you die if you're just dumb.
Taylor, I'm not that quick at doing that.
What?
How do you get the shield?
Is it not in your hand already?
It is, but if I have my gun out, I can't
put your
use
gun
it.
away! That shield really does help. Oh gosh. Oh, get him! Keep it up, keep it up. Nice, nice, keep it up, keep it up. Hold on, I'm reloading. Keep it up, good job, good job. Oh, gosh. Woo! Man, I thought that sounded weird.
My shield is almost gone.
Okay. Oh, shoot! Oh, back up, back up, back up, back up! Shield out, shield out! Okay, keep it up, keep it up.
It's gonna break.
Okay, hold on, almost got him. Nice. Okay. Woo!
Well, now we don't have anything, so.
Okay, the shield's gone.
Yep.
Okay, well, hopefully that should be it. Oh, we made it, thank goodness. Okay. See the big trees? That's where we're trying to get to. So we gotta cross the river one more time.
Okay, ready?
Did that hurt you?
Ouch.
Okay, hold on, slow down, slow down, slow down! Is it safe?
Yeah?
Okay. Okay, let's follow the river down this way. And we're gonna get to the spot where I want to go. Just keep an eye out in the trees, okay? I think that guy's somewhat friendly.
No!
What? What?
I died.
Where are you? What are you doing? No! Ah! Where'd you go? I thought you were following me!
I was.
You weren't even close to me!
Oh, shoot.
Okay, hold on, let me get a little shelter
Make a
built.
bed. 2 birds.
But you don't have your shield, do you?
Uh-uh. Wait, where's my stuff? Where's my body at?
Oh, leech. Oh gosh.
Tay, I'm dead.
No, get over here! What are you doing? Wait for me!
Tay.
Oh, great. Okay.
He's a 140.
I mean, we've killed higher at this point.
I have to wait 4 minutes.
4 minutes? Why'd you do that? Oh, crap. Woo! Oh, Quayne, I just killed him. Look at him. I just killed him right by your bed, right here. See this? Just shot him.
Go.
Okay, hold on. There's stuff. We gotta find out what's around there, okay? Oh, slow down. What are you doing? Wait, where did you go? I lost you.
Tay, there's a snail.
Okay.
Colonel. Oh, frick.
Oh gosh, he's coming for you. Oh, you're
Tay,
lucky.
come on, Tay.
I should have let him kill you.
Happy birthday.
I told you to wait, Quayne.
I'm celebrating.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, do you have your stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Come on. Another one?
Yeah. It's an alpha, too.
I don't think it's an alpha.
Okay, we're good.
Okay, is that you? Oh, okay.
See the snail?
Yeah, I just...
Jasmine! Jasmine!
It's a 14. It'll be easy to tame, but I don't have any sweet vegetable cake. That's what I need to tame it, is sweet vegetable cake. So I can't get it right now. We'll have to come back and get it later. I need sap. That's why we're going to the trees. We need sap. So head down the river. Come on. Alright. Okay. Look in the trees. We're looking... We want to keep an eye out for big cats.
I want to tame a cat.
Do you have any armor, or are you naked?
I'm naked.
Great. Okay, let's cross then.
Where are you? Oh.
Do you see that cat right there? Do you see him on the tree?
Uh-oh.
See him on the tree right there, right in front of us?
Where?
That's level 77. See him right there on the tree?
Where?
Look straight in front of you. See him on the tree?
Oh.
What? Do you see him?
Uh-oh.
You don't see him hanging off the tree.
Oh, 77?
Yep, that's him.
Let's tame it.
We don't have the stuff. We don't quite have the stuff to tame it. But I feel like we're gonna probably have to kill it.
What stuff do we have to use to tame it?
He takes special kibble. So,
Okay, well, I'll keep the first shot.
okay, hold on. Let's shoot together. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Where did he go?
Oh!
Ooh! Oh gosh! All right, we got him. Nice.
Dude, I really want one of these.
Oh, these guys are fun. They're just really hard to tame. Okay. Queen, what is it?
Something special. I just did it again. Tay, faster.
I'm working on it. Give me more wood. You got more wood? Is this all stuff like wood? Oh. What are you dropping? Did you drop your armor? Keep your armor. We'll fix it here in a second, but keep your armor.
Okay.
Start clearing away these bushes. That's our biggest thing. Start getting get these bushes out of the way.
Okay. Hold up.
I need more of, little Quain. More wood, jeez.
Tay.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just kidding, Tay.
Yeah, and you dummy. Oh gosh. Okay, are they breaking it?
No, they're not breaking it, but there's so many of them. There's
Oh
5.
my gosh, there is so many.
That's what I said. I walked out and they all came. Tay, come on. I gotta get my stuff so I can help.
I can't even open my gun. It might get I'm glitching again. I have to fast travel, but I can't fast travel until I can't fast travel because you took the beds. I can't open my guns though. That's the problem.
Ow. Ow.
Yeah, keep trying.
Ow, fricker.
Oh gosh. What the quest?
Tay, give me your gun. Can you drop it?
No, I can't open up anything because the game's being stupid.
Tay, I need help.
I can't. You took all the cooldowns. I can't fast travel.
Tay, I need help. Tay, I need help.
Oh, you're gonna die.
No, dude, I could actually help if I could get my stuff.
Yeah, if I can actually get my gun out, if my game would freaking work.
Narco berries! Can I make them eat narco berries?
Okay, that's a good idea. Yeah, try that.
How? Hey, how do I make them eat narco berries?
I don't know, just hold on. I've got 42 seconds. Come on, game! Close the door! What are you doing? Close the door!
Ouch!
Yeah, that's your fault. Close the door now! Close it!
I can't!
Why would you open it, you dummy?
Ah!
Close! Oh my gosh, okay. Game, come on!
Wait, Tay! To switch everything over, it's the left. It's L2, right?
Something like that, okay. Okay, run, 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 run!
I did it!
Oh my god! Why did you close the door on yourself? Well, alright, yeah, that was, yep, that was your fault all the way.
Tay, I did it too!
Nope, you do not, you can use the other bed right now, and that's it.
Why?
Because I need to get my gun so I can actually, my game is being frickin' retarded!
Tay, that's not okay to say for
Quiet! Spawn in, hurry up!
Oh, you an alligator! An alligator, Tay! Tay, I'm dead!
You stay alive.
Oh, snap! Tay, I'm dying so much!
Come on, game, why do you do this?
Tay, where's your place so I can help establish over
50,
there?
60.
So, can I take this lower level pterodon?
I guess I don't see why not, yeah.
Okay.
As soon as I can fast travel, I can get my freaking guns out. That's the only way the game actually works.
I need to throw something at them.
Frickin' finally, let's go.
Tay,
Okay, I
kill
can.
them! Tay, I said to kill them.
I'm working on it. There's one.
Out! Out!
Oh my
Tay,
gosh.
out!
Open the door. Oh my god.
Tay,
Wow.
I'm literally dead right there.
I know you died right there.
Jesus, guy's not very. Oh my gosh.
Killer Quail's back in.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, Whale.
says 99 plus hours now.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this is the stupidest thing.
Quail.
Taylor, it's not my Wi-Fi.
Quail. Quinn, what are you attacking now? Oh, jeez! Ah, Quinn! Swing!
Yeah, there's metal up here.
Okay, so that's the metal.
It's
then.
all metal.
Okay, so we need to get up there then. That'll probably be an easier spot than what I'm trying to find. Oh my gosh!
Oh, well,
Well, Quinn died.
what killed
Tay,
him?
I said I need
ant?
help.
Termite! The ants killed him! Can I Quinn?
Tay, I need narcoberries bad. Tay.
Ah! Get inside, you idiots! Ah! Ah, dang it! We've got a stinking Corno. Where's Abby? I mean, I guess that's high enough to really avoid everything. So I guess it's not like that's high enough.
Alright, Tay, here's your polymer. Ready? Where are you going? Where are you going? Seriously?
Yeah, I'm trying to see.
Wow. Alright.
You're fine.
I see how it is.
I'm trying to see how
It's
I
your boy
want to.
Kaden. I am back. Woo woo.
Wait.
Okay, that was very close. Is that what I think it is? What is that?
What is what?
A Carcharodontosaurus?
Dude, that thing is terrifying.
What even is that thing? What the crap?
I've never seen that before.
That's new. That is definitely new.
Here.
He's almost a giga.
I'm dropping stuff off, and then tell me the coordinates, because I want to go see it.
It's the mountain, pretty much if you fly, so take off from the metal place and go straight, and that's that mountain that you can see. Let me see here. Its mountain coordinates are like 35, 55?
Okay.
Wow, look at that thing. I have never seen one of those before, ever, and we've been all around this mountain. I wonder if it's a new creature they added in. Wow, that is neat. Carco something. Tosaurus. I was looking for a...
Yeah.
That's what I thought
That's
it was.
so cool.
That's what I thought it was at first. I'm like, oh sweet, a giga. Yeah, this is the same mountain. So we're pretty close. We just built at the trees. So we just built there instead of there. Alright, I'm gonna head back, build some crystal crap. I guess I'll leave the lower one for eggs here at the river place. Actually, we don't really need them here at the river. We don't need them here at the river. I'll bring them both over. Let's go. Come on, Quain.
Hold up. I think I can. Okay. I
Oh,
can.
he ate the poor chicken. Yeah, I forgot.
Tay, ow!
What is that? Oh my gosh!
What is it?
Rhinogonantha?
What is it?
It's like a
Holy
giant.
crap.
It's like a giant like wasp.
Ooh, that's terrifying.
Like massive wasp.
That is big.
Like a ginormous bug.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Tay, which way did you go?
What are all these new animals Wes is throwing into the game?
What are those?
Oh yeah, keep going straight. Yep, I gotta find where to get,
Beth is literally just like lounging right now.
one of these. Oh, got enough rare flour. Nice.
Just zero efforts.
Holy cow, Wes. Did you see that?
I don't think West is bad.
Oh, he's not?
Hey.
That
hey,
is a massive...
You have Jasmine's?
Is that it? It's upstairs. Let me get to base real quick, because I'm out in the open. Jasmine,
Hey.
come here, now! Oh, I see it
Does
right
something
there.
smell like it's burning?
Yeah. Quain, what was that thing? That's so cool. I want to see. It's right there. See it in the trees? A Ren. I don't even know how do you say that,
What's
Quain?
burning?
It's in the trees. You see it? It's
I
a
don't see it.
Quainagothia. I don't know. It's in the swamp. That's terrifying. That's massive. What the Quain? Alright, let's go through the dark trees. Go, Quain, go! Oh, gosh!
An alligator!
Quain,
Gosh,
run!
ow!
Oh, run, Quain, get him! Come on! You got this, Quain!
Hey!
Quain, I'm trying!
It just knocked me off! Ow!
Quain, get back on! What are you doing?
I can't! He's holding me!
Quain, what do you mean he's holding you? Punch him then! Okay. Oh my gosh, come here. What are you... What? Oh, okay.
Hey, just make sure my cardinal doesn't die.
Quain, your cardinal's gonna die. I can't. He's so bloody. Oh my gosh. Okay, I saved him, but oh my word, Quain. Why did you die?
Abby's here. Woo-hoo.
Yeah, Abby's here.
Yes, I am.
Hey, is my cardinal still alive?
I'm trying, Quain. Oh god, no!
Nope. Say goodbye to Goofy.
I tried. I really did. Quain, I'm sorry.
I got no cardinal.
Oh, an alligator just ate him.
Quilty.
Ow!
That's what you get. Oh shoot, how am I gonna find you?
Oh, crap. Shoot.
Okay, let me get you in the party again. Now. There you go. Hopefully you learned your lesson, correct?
He's mean.
Ah, run, Quain, run! Ah, Quainers! Oh, I found the cave. Come here. All right, let's. All right, don't just rush in. Hold on. Let's play this out carefully.
Please?
What does that even mean, please?
Hey!
What?
Stop!
What?
Hey, turn the light back on.
Oh.
Turn the light back on. This won't be the time to turn. Thank you.
I gotta have my shotgun out. Hold on. Slow down, Quain. We gotta wait for Wes. I think he's still fighting something outside.
What's in this cave?
A lot of bad stuff. Just be very careful. Very slow. Very careful.
Mushrooms!
Are these the ones that make you crap your pants? They're not doing anything. I remember this cave. Yeah, this is one of the first caves we did.
Almost fell.
It's alright. It goes around the corner. Where's West? Hold on, he should be coming. Do you hear that, Quain? Do you hear that creature? Quain, look all over.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, okay.
Hey,
Wes, where are you? Hurry! We're down. We're not at. We're in the cave, but. Oh, perfect. Good. Okay, he's here. Kanan, slow down. Look at the ceiling. Ceiling. Oh, ceiling. Ceiling. Wes, on what levels? I don't have my spyglass. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 300? $323. Are you kidding me?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 3. Uh.
1, 2, 3.
Quain, do you have a spyglass on you?
No, I only have my scope.
Oh, doesn't tell you the level?
Nope.
Oh, he gave me his. Hold on. Oh, 35. Oh, that's easy.
3, 2, 1.
No, Quain, if this thing bites you, it's bad.
I know. 3, 2, 1.
Did you guys miss? Okay, Kanan, what are you doing?
It won't. No!
Quinn, get it! Did you get bit? You good?
That was close.
Okay.
Okay, that was close. Okay, that was very close. Okay.
Yes, so those things, yeah, if they bite you, they give you mega rabies. It's really bad if you get rabies, because I don't have any antidote made. Careful, Quain. Slow down again. Look, careful. Oh, this way, Quain. Come here. Other way.
Quain, come on, Quain.
Check the ceilings, everything, because you don't know where these things are hiding. They could literally be on anything. Okay, I guess we're good.
Scorpions are down there.
Okay.
Taylor.
Quain, hurry.
There's
It's,
other people.
Quain, it's scary. Hurry.
Hello?
Who is this?
Your worst nightmare.
Is this Deacon trying to be deeper? Yeah.
No.
Okay, Quain, do not fall in this water. You will die if you fall into the water.
Taylor, is this still the one map you were playing?
This is the island. This. Oh!
Have you been giving Kanan stuff? There's no way he crafted a gun with a scope.
No, he didn't. I gave it to him.
Who you guys playing with?
Weston and Abby.
Oh. That's fun.
Quain, careful. Slow it down a little bit. Deacon told Quain to slow it down.
Slow it down, Quain.
Lot of bad stuff in here. Oh gosh, we got spiders and aranies. Spiders and aranios. Back up, back up, back up through the smoke. Take your shots, take your shots. Hurry, Quainus.
No! Yo!
Good grief, that's so many. I gotta reload, Quain. Quain, get him! Gotta reload, Quain, hurry! Nice. Have anyone seen a dung beetle at all? I forgot, that's what I'm looking for.
What?
I need a dung beetle.
Oh, you need W?
Yeah, I forgot I was looking for a dung beetle. We got webs! Quain, we've been webbed!
Yo, yo, yo!
Woo! I can't see. Get him, Quain, get him!
Good stuff.
Okay. Quain,
What do we do caves for?
I hear more. Do you hear him?
It's after us.
Oh, snakes! Quain, get him! Where's that stinking dung beetle? I need a dung beetle! Oh, hey, there's water in here. Nice. Quain! Doo-doo-doo! Quain! 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 Can I get a dung beetle, please? Are they not in here? Oh. Quain, come back! Oh gosh. Oh, Quain. Quain, get him! Get him, Quain! Oh, behind us! Spiders, Quain!
Ow!
Quain, behind us! You're doing it, Quinn. You're doing it.
I'm dead.
No, you're good. You're good. Snake's behind us, Quinn. Run. I gotta reload. Quinn, I'm about to pass out. Help me, Queenie. Holy cow.
Tay?
Oh, behind us. Quinn, hurry.
Tay?
Queenie, Queen, Queenie, Queen, Queenie, Queen.
Tay, I have no clue what I just got.
Did you grab the artifact? There's seriously not a single dung beetle in anywhere.
Artifact of the Hunter.
Yeah, that's good. We're gonna need it. Was there nothing in here? Like no enemies?
Tay!
What?
I'm unconscious.
He's unconscious!
Be quiet. Tay, stop dragging me.
I'm dragging you to safety, you turd!
Thanks, Tay.
Yeah, I should just let them eat you. How'd you go unconscious?
I don't know.
Ugh!
Hey, I died. Hey,
How
I
much-
see stars.
I know you do. I'm dragging you into here.
Hey, I see stars.
Okay, wait in here.
Hey, what's the artifact?
It's for the bosses.
Well, I just got one.
I know, we all can grab one. I'll grab... Yeah, I'll wait to grab the other one. Because Weston has one, you have one, I need to wait for it to respawn so I can grab one. Are you kidding me? Where is a stinking... I want a dung beetle! That's more scorpions, never mind. Oh, West! Out there, Flora! How much longer for you to be unconscious? A dirty, dirty beef, dirty, dirty beef, beef. Yeah, she's a dirty beef, beef, dirty, dirty beef. Yeah, yeah, beef, dirty, dirty beef. Yeah.
Hey,
What?
I'm still unconscious.
Why are you still unconscious? I can't drag you out of here, Quain. What are you gonna do? Oh, you're not unconscious anymore. That's what I thought. Are you kidding me? Not a single dung beetle the entire way? Ugh! Quain, don't go in the water!
I need drink.
No, just, there's a safer spot to drink over here. Come here. Yeah, it's right there. Drink out of that. Shoot. Wes, what's the other... we need to go the other way, West. We need to go find the other way. We gotta find a dung beetle. I don't know if this... What? Kanan, where'd you go? Quain, where are you?
Right
Okay,
here.
okay. Alright, let's head back, I guess.
No.
Get back, you dirty little Quain.
Oh,
Alright.
shoot. Oh, that was close.
Alright, let's go.
Dang, what if I jump in the water?
You will die instantly. Like, I think, who fell in the water? Someone fell in the water and died, like, instantly.
Can I try it?
No. I keep
Please?
giving you stuff. You keep it with you this time.
Please.
No.
It's okay.
With the cherry on top?
okay.
No.
With the cherry on top, please.
Where are you? Okay, good. Now we're gonna go to the right, okay? Oh, I never grabbed my artifact. Oh, that's alright. I'll go back and get it here in a second. Quain, look for the cave lizard! Shoot, Quain, shoot! Okay, you shot a little late there, but that's fine. Shoot, Quain, shoot! Jeez, that was a...
Yeah.
Ouch!
There's usually a dung beetle right here all the time.
Silly boy.
Oh shoot, Quain, get him! Ow! Quain, no, everything broke!
Ow!
All my armor just broke. Ooh, that was a high level.
What? Okay, hold up. I have to.
A dung beetle! Yay!
Where?
Oh, there's a snap biter. No! No, Quain! Quain, behind you!
Ow!
Quain, get him!
Ouch! I'm naked.
Oh, so am I. Do you see me? I'm naked. I'm literally butt naked right now because that guy broke all my armor.
What naked?
Yay! Finally! Okay, come on, buddy.
Taya jumped in the water.
Well, you're dead then.
I don't die.
Okay. But you'll be dead.
Oh shoot, I actually did. Oh, frick.
Yeah, you're dead. You gonna die
Oh,
yet?
I made it up!
Ah, dang it.
I made it up! Dang, I actually made it up!
Yes. Oh, sweet, he brought me extra
I'll
clothes.
be back.
No, you're in a cave, we can't be back.
See ya!
Wait, you gotta... Wait, what? What, you want me to pick it up? Pick it up? The broken stuff?
Huh?
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, for him? Alright.
Uh-huh. It's kind of disturbing there, little Quill.
West, what else is this way? Is there anything else special this way, or just... I don't know.
Are you silly? Are you so silly?
Gonna be hungry again anytime soon? I really... Quain?
Yes?
Okay, let's go this. Go down that way with Weston.
Okay.
Awesome, got him. Hey, Killian. Hey, baby, Daddy's streaming. Let's not do that. Alright, I'm gonna leave him here at the entrance. I'm gonna see if there's another one. It would be really nice to get a second one. Okay. Alright, let's go! Quain, where are you? You guys go down this way? Oh, there's West, okay. I can't believe I forgot to put a flashlight on my shotgun. Quain, where are you?
Which tunnel did you guys go down?
We went...
Oh, shoot!
Do you see the ruins?
Ouch!
Quain, we're down by the ruins!
Taya died.
Quain, where are you? What did you do?
I got rabies.
You really have rabies?
Yep. Thanks!
You don't have
I was
rabies.
already down here!
You don't got rabies.
I was already down here, dude.
Well, we can't.
I'm out of ammo.
Already?
On.
Why are you unconscious again?
Taylor, no. Taylor, this sucks.
Yeah, there's spiders everywhere. They're eating you.
You won't help me.
I can't help you. Hey, another dung beetle.
Well, you don't need the dung beetle.
You shut your face. I do need another dung beetle.
You shouldn't.
I can't carry you and the dung beetle back, so you better get your butt cheeks back up.
I'm full stars.
Why are you full stars?
I don't know.
Oh,
All I did was fight the scorpion.
Did you get stabbed by one of them?
No. Well, I did get stabbed 4 times.
Well, then that's it.
Well, Taylor, then don't let me get stabbed, dude.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh Quayne! Oh Quayne! I'm coming! Quayne! He's coming! He's gonna eat your body! It's a spider! Oh, Wes got him. How much chin is West getting?
Tay, you're fat.
Just need a little bit of water. Yeah, what?
Tay, I'm watching this right now.
Bit of water? Yeah, what?
Tay, I'm watching this right now.
What, Wes? Where are you going? What are you taking me for? Oh yeah, I got that. Kane, come over here. There's an explorer's note for you to level up.
I'm dead.
No, you're not. Get over here. I can see you, you little poop.
Okay, what? Where?
Go to where Weston is. He's on a... Oh, don't go in the water. No, don't go where Weston is. There is a chest. Look for the chest. See the chest right here?
Where?
Right here. Open the chest. It'll give you a level boost. Okay, something does not sound good. Oh my gosh! Oh shoot! Okay. Woo! Little Quayne. Quayne is getting attacked again. Help him. What is he going for that's in there?
Something green.
Oh, it's a drop. Okay.
That's kind of cool.
You looking at the green drop?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that looks pretty neat.
I'm gonna go down.
Alright, sounds good. It is safe in here now. We got them all. Yay! Got my other dung beetle! Alright. Quayne! Quayne! Yeah, you're... 'Cause you're the biggest beef of the beefies, yeah! Yeah.
Quayne, where am I?
That's what we got. That's what you got from the drop. This is baloney. This is so bad. We don't need these. These are poop. This is baloney. This is so bad. We don't need these. These are poop. What are you doing? Quayne, what are you doing? Come on out, Quayne.
I died.
No, you didn't. I literally am looking at you right now. Why do you keep dying?
Oh, you're not.
I was. Alright, I don't know where Wes is.
Dang, where am I?
I can literally see your name behind the wall. Let's go.
No, you can't.
Let's go. I don't know. I think West
Now
went back
try.
down. Come on, West went back down this way. Let's go.
Okay. Adios, amigos.
No, not adios. Come here. Come on, you little poopy. Quaid, where are you?
I don't know.
Quaid, find out where you are, you little turd. Come down where the trees are. Hurry. Quaid, where are you? Quain? Little Quain! Oh, Quainy! Oh, that's right. This is where it just leads us to here, doesn't it? Quain, where are you? We're waiting for you.
I'm laying on a bed right now.
Why are you laying on a bed? Get over here.
I don't want to go back in the cave.
We're not. You're already in the cave.
I'm already out of the cave.
Why'd you get out of the cave? Did you at least carry a dung beetle out?
No, I walked right past it.
Quain! Oh, I'm gonna have to kill you again.
Let's go.
What are you? Why do you don't want to be in the cave anymore?
Because I'm out of ammo.
What kind of ammo do you need?
Rifle.
Oh. I got sufficient stamina. Hold on, West. Come on. You're out. How much ammo did you take and how many shots did you miss?
I think
Alright, let's
I
go.
missed 8.
Well, help us. We're carrying dung beetles, so come in and help us. At least
No.
get back out. Quain, get over here and help us. Quain? Quain, how far out of the cave are you? I'm tranquilizing you. Yep, you're getting tranquilized, and I want Deacon to watch. Call Deacon as I trank you. I'm gonna shoot it in your butt cheek. Quain, I'm gonna shoot you in your cheek.
Oh my gosh, I'm back. I'm alive.
Back where?
I am back at our base.
What do you mean you're back at our base? Which base?
Ours big one.
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean you're back at our base?
What are we back at our base?
Get back to the cave! You gotta help me carry these things!
You got it. I believe in you.
Alright guys, this will be just a quick break for today, and we're gonna go grab some food, everything like that. We've been streaming for almost about 3 hours, so anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll be back on very shortly, so stick around, and I will see you guys in the next one. See you later.